flower is the sweetest thing God ever made. They are the heaven's masterpiece. It is so delicate yet strong in fragrance, so small in size yet big in beauty, so short in life yet long on effect.
Floriculture is the discipline of horticulture that deals with the cultivation of ornamental plants and flowering plants for gardening and for floristry. Floristry, that is flower industry. Flowers render beauty to Mother Nature. We all know that a thing of beauty is a joy forever.
Flowers are love's truest language. It is testimony that the world is designed for our enjoyment. It is a message and also a carrier. It's a bridge between devotee and God. It is main factor of dedication to God. It's a poetic flow, a rhythm, and a melody in song.
Flowers have a lot of importance in our lives. They render aesthetic beauty to our surroundings. They beautify our gardens, our townships, our cities. They give us a wide range of products as well.
Golden shower tree, lotus, rose, marigold, jasmine, and thousands of flowers are there which color our lives with their color and perfumes our lives with their aroma. They are the only one which has made our nature look so beautiful, spreading the rainbow colors everywhere.
The plant having the flowers of different color are very important to protect our atmosphere.
The colorful flowers which color our lives have meaning of their own color. The yellow color symbolizes happiness, friendship, excitement, pride and fame. The red color flower appears as courage, willingness, honesty, respect and a sense of love. Orange color flower represents affection, satisfaction, enthusiasm and confidence. Green color is considered as good luck and happiness. White color means peace, simplicity and is considered as a symbol of beauty. These flowers have a feeling of purity of the relationship. Pink color is called as the color of love. Blue and purple color gives a rooted sense of glory, wealth, pride and reputation.
Flowers are also used for religious and cultural purposes. A huge flower garden or a greenhouse or a huge flower farm is often a wonderful resort for picnic or also used for other recreational purposes.
The way the different colored flowers display and allow individual expression, the same way here in our tradition we worship different deities in different colors of flowers. Red color flower to Lord Surya and Lord Ganesha, white color to Lord Shiva and Goddess, and yellow flowers are offered to Lord Vishnu. Of course, there are scientific reasons for flowers' beautiful colors such as attracting animals to spread nectar and enabling them to reproduce. Just the same way, there could have been many other ways to allow for plant species to reproduce.
There are two types of flowers. One is categorized as a self-pollinated flower and second one is cross-pollinated flower. Generally, most of the flowers belongs to the self-pollinated group and some are these are the cross-pollinated, particularly the family Compositae. The plants of the family Compositae, these are the cross-pollinated flowers.
Flower in our architecture is of much more importance, as they are the means of worshipping God. In the same way, they are seen in the ornamentation of our country's various temples, domes and columns. Jagadamba Devi Temple in Khajuraho has a 5 feet 8 inch long statue of goddess possessing lotus in hand. Baha'i worship temple built in Delhi has an architecture fully based on blossom lotus, which caused it to be named as Lotus Temple. All types of flowers give fragrance and beauty. Now let's see what else we receive from flowers.
They give us a wide range of products as well, like spices, medicines, essence, and the scent of flowers is used in the soap industry, they are used in deodorants, etc.
Everyone uses various spices in food to enhance the taste and aroma. And very few people know that some spices are flowers, such as clove. The most expensive spice, saffron, is also a type of flower. Another flower, secondo, is used as salad. By looking at honey, it's little hard to believe that it is collected from flowers. But it's true, it's not just a food, but a medicine too. And not just honey, there are many substances which are taken from flowers and brought into medical use. There are many flowers which are used to treat serious diseases.
Flowers also provide a huge pollen pool for the bees to provide honey for us. And honey, as we all know, is a complete food. It gives a lot of energy. It's also good for cough and cold.
During the main medical treatment of cardiac patient as adjuvant therapy, in conventional medicine, it is advised to sleep on bed of roses. There are some species which has the ability to treat from healing wounds to the removal of all skin diseases. In Ayurvedic medicine, roses are used in the treatment of scurvy and kidney diseases. As flowers are so useful, it's obvious that it has a large scope of business. At large scale, cultivation of flowers is done, which helps in business. India has a tropical climate, so the flowers are grown in abundance here. In international market, the flower business is around rupees 1,25,000 crores, in which India's trade is of rupees 300 crore. This business is growing at a faster rate.
To get a good turnover in a short period of time, we often resort to inorganic fertilizers and pesticides, and they are extremely harmful for our nature.
To get high quality flowers, the plants are grown in polyhouse, are protected from intense heat, bright sunlight, strong winds, hailstone and cold waves.
The gerbera is there, carnation is there, gypsophila is there, then gaillardia is there. So there are so many flowers which are successfully can be grown under the this polyhouse system, where there is no need of the pollinator, that is the insect and the air likewise.
It is a protective shade made up of polythene in semicircular, square or elongated shape. So, flowers are produced throughout the year.
Nowadays, this concept is very important. Nowadays, most of the flowers which can not be grown successfully in the open place, open space, nowadays these are being grown under the protected cultivation, that is under polyhouse. So during the off season, if we are growing flowers inside the polyhouse, of course there is a much scope to get the maximum price during the off season, when there is a heavy demand of the flowers.
The sector where there is such a big trade automatically opens new opportunities for employment. There are many institutes and training centers which help to gain knowledge in this field. Like any other business, this business also requires skilled persons such as the person trained in manual work, harvesting, packaging, the efficient transport and accomplished work in cold storage places, etc. This trade has the potential to earn foreign currency. There are many places in India like Hyderabad, Pune, Bengaluru, Shrigaon, Imphal, etc. Similarly, Uttarakhand can become a self-dependent state as it has around 240 varieties of orchid flowers which are in a great demand in Northeast Asia. In today's time, as consumption of flowers has increased, whether there is a marriage or a party, decorating a house or to give flowers as a gift, it is used everywhere. There are still many places where flowers are used as jewelries. Flowers go with our journey of life. They express our emotions and feelings when we are unable to express with words. And when we give someone flowers, we automatically get attached to them emotionally. Only one flower makes a special meeting. Time flies and it's the flower that makes it a memorable moment. Yet even if the person changes with time, the fragrance of flowers is the same. Pluck this little flower and take it, delay not. I fear lest it droop and drop into the dust. I may not find a place in thy garland, but honor it with a touch of pain from thy hand and pluck it. I fear lest the day end before I am aware, and the time of offering go by. Though its color be not deep and its smell be faint, use this flower in thy service and pluck it while there is time.